Hi everyone, today we are on Module 1 of Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 3. Turn to page 9 to follow along and take notes. Alright, so today we are talking about addition. So the addend, that is the number to be added in an addition problem. So here we have the addend of 2 plus 3. So 2 and 3 are both addends, and then you get the sum or the total. So the sum is the answer to an addition problem. So addend plus addend equals sum. So this is an example. Addend are the numbers that you add, and then you get the sum. That is the answer to the addition problem. All right, let's do some review here. 6 plus 6 is 12. 9 plus 9 is 18. Here we have 6 plus 7. And so we do 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus that 1 hanging out there. So you know 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So 6 plus 7 is 13. Here we have 8 plus 4. Well, we're just going to count up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we counted up by 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. All right, this says Charles has 5 crayons. The teacher gives him 4 more crayons. Kirby has 4 crayons. The teacher gives her 5 more crayons. How many crayons does each of them have in all? So Charles has 5 plus 4. Well, we can see that that is 4. So you can break it apart and do 4 plus 4, which equals 8, and then 8 plus 1 equals 9. Same thing here, 4 plus 5, we just broke it up into 4 plus 4 equals 8, and then you do 8 plus that extra 1 is 9. So they each have 9 crayons. Find each sum. 3 plus 4 equals, we can do that in our head, but then if you want to break it down, it helps to be able to do doubles. So 3 plus 3 and then plus 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is just kind of helping you figure these out. So this one we can just go up by 1. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 12. Here we have 4 plus 9. So 4 plus 9 is 13. 7 plus 8, you could do this quick. 7 plus 7 plus 1. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. All right, this says using symbols and words. So find a doubles addition fact with the 2 addends. Double the lesser number addend, then add the remaining 1 to the sum. So 7 plus 6, 6 plus 6, is 12, and then you add the 1, you get 13. So 7 plus 6 is 13. If the doubles plus 1 cannot be used, use the counting on strategy. Begin with the greater addend and count on from that addend. So 8 plus 2, 8, add 2, 9, 10. So 8 plus 2 is 10. All right, you are going to complete page 11 on your own. Good luck.